Greenland's ice sheet is 6 times bigger than the state of Colorado, and according to experts, it's melting at an alarming rate.
So the changes that I've seen over the last 30 years are dramatic.
David Barr is one of them. He studies glaciers for the University of Colorado. He's stood on that ice several times over 3 decades. He says the melting is a result of climate change brought on by the burning of fossil fuels by humans.
We're used to geologic timescales for glaciers. They slowly flow down a mountain, but no, we're seeing these changes very, very rapidly in a matter of decades.
Previously, scientists used computer modeling to estimate the rate of ice melt. But after spending the time gathering real data from the ice, Barr says Greenland's ice sheet is melting twice as fast as the computers predicted. That means the oceans are rising.
Our work on the ice sheet shows that we're going to get at least 11 inches. That's the bare minimum of sea level rise from the damage we've already done.
He says it'll likely be closer to 2.5 feet, and that's just from Greenland. Bad news for coastal communities, but Barr says indirectly we will all be impacted.
Right, we're all paying for damage along the coastlines. We're paying for Hurricane Ian right now. So we may live in Colorado, but it affects our bottom lines as well.
As the melting increases over the next 30 years, Barr says more people are expected to move away from America's coastlines.
Denver is actually predicted to be one of the places that's going to have to receive people from the coasts. And we have our own climate problems.
Meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen, 9 News.
It is a terrifying forecast. Barr says that if the sea level was to be 2 feet higher, the damage from Ian just now, the surge could have stretched another 4 miles inland, possibly more.
It's a terrifying thought. He also says the melting fresh water from the ice sheet has a trickle-down effect on the atmosphere. He says that could increase the drought and wildfire hazards in the western United States, including here in Colorado.